Hi, I'm Andrea Olson with Tiny Undies. These are our Tiny Chaps. Tiny Chaps are really great for during those learning processes when you have diaper-free time with your baby. You don't want your baby to be completely naked. There is a big open spot in the middle. That's because they're chaps. They're not split pants. There's a bit of a velcro top to them as well that just opens up. These are size 18 to 24 months. So if you've got a child just like hanging out outside all day and you know that they'll squat to go to the bathroom, but they don't know how to deal with pants yet, these are really good for that. For newborns, laying them down on a waterproof pad, and then they can easily roll over back and forth without their diaper on, and you can give them some chances to air out. If they do pee, it might get the pants a little bit wet, but oftentimes these are called I can't remember how to pronounce it, kāidāngkù. In China, they basically let their children, once they're walking, just walk around in these all the time, and they'll just squat and go wherever. So really convenient. I've used them a lot outside during the summertime and the spring when baby can just kind of go at their leisure and they're walking already. But you can also put a diaper over them. So disposable, biodegradable, or cloth like we have. If you put that over them, then when you take the diaper off, they can easily sit down and go to the bathroom and not get cold. So during winter or in colder climates, it's really good if you don't want to use baby leggings because they often fall down and roll down. You can have this underneath the diaper cover, take that off, offer the potty, put that back on without having to undress your baby. So those are Tiny Chaps.